Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Abecedario Español is probably one of the most engaging ways for children to learn the Spanish alphabet. In this video, we'll dive deep into this educational resource, exploring its features, and how it can help your child develop essential literacy skills. We'll cover everything from the colorful illustrations to the interactive exercises, giving you a comprehensive overview to help you decide if this is the right learning tool for your little one. Get ready to discover a fun and effective way to introduce your child to the world of Spanish. Number 5. Just Smarty Alphabet Wall Chart for Toddlers. This interactive wall chart teaches toddlers the alphabet, sounds, new words, numbers, and spelling. It's a great learning tool for young children. This toy is designed to help them learn in a fun and engaging way. Designed with all children in mind, this chart is perfect for speech therapy and promoting language development. It's a valuable aid for toddler speech development, helping them learn and grow. This toy amplifies their significance for young learners. Sing along and dance to popular children's songs with this musical toy. It's a perfect way for your child to start learning words through music. They will love singing and dancing along to their favorite tunes. This engaging ABC learning toy is ideal for your child's bedroom or game room. Its captivating design immediately attracts their attention. It offers hours of enjoyable exploration and preschool learning. This user-friendly talking ABC wall chart comes with batteries included. It provides a seamless setup for captivating toddler learning activities straight out of the box. Simply hang it up and let them start their learning adventure. This alphabet poster is designed to provide educational fun without taking up floor space. It keeps your child's play area tidy while offering an engaging and interactive learning experience. It's a great addition to any play area. This product is covered by a limited warranty for 6 months from the purchase date. The warranty covers manufacturing defects under normal use. Reach out to customer service for any claims or inquiries. What we like? This interactive wall chart teaches the alphabet, numbers, and even spelling, making it a comprehensive learning tool. It also features popular children's songs, turning learning into a fun, musical experience. If you're looking for an engaging and space-saving educational toy for your toddler, this is a great choice. It's designed to fit seamlessly into any play area. What people say. The buttons are easy for toddlers to press, and the volume options are a nice bonus. Great quality. Good engagement. Good gift idea. Easy to use. Picture quality good. Nice learning activity. Perfect for learning and keeping her busy. Number 4. Gamenote Alphabet Letters Kit for Kids. This kit is designed for young learners. It's perfect for helping them learn to spell and recognize letters. It's a great tool for early childhood education. The set includes 234 letters in 8 bright colors, plus a double-sided magnetic board, pens, and an eraser. This comprehensive set provides everything needed for spelling and learning. It's suitable for teaching phonics and word building. Every color, shape, and material is selected with young learners in mind. The magnetic board attracts letters and can be written on. It's easy to erase and reuse, making it ideal for small groups. The letters are made of soft-touch EVA foam with full-cover magnets. They stick to the fridge or magnetic board without falling off. The texture is soft, perfect for little hands. Suitable for children aged 4 to 12, with parental guidance for younger children. It's convenient for teaching at home, preschool, or kindergarten. This kit is easy for a child to carry and use anywhere. What we like? This set comes with a large number of letters, ensuring you have everything needed for spelling and word games. The double-sided magnetic board provides a versatile surface for learning and creativity. If you have a child who loves to spell and play with letters, this magnetic alphabet kit will provide hours of educational fun. It's perfect for both home and classroom use. What people say. The vibrant colors and sturdy design of the magnetic letters immediately caught his attention. He loves that the set comes with both upper and lower case letters, which has been fantastic for our phonics activities. The magnetic feature is also a big win. The letters stick well to the board, which makes it easy for him to rearrange them without any frustration. Number 3. Think Fun Laser Maze Brain Game for Kids. Introducing the Laser Maze, a fun brain game for kids. This award-winning game is designed to challenge young minds and provide a stealth learning experience. It's a great way to develop critical reasoning and planning skills. Think Fun is a world leader in brain games, with over 50 million sold. This game is trusted by families worldwide. It's a great choice for a fun and educational experience. Playing the laser maze helps build reasoning and planning skills. It challenges you to use mirrors and beam splitters to direct the laser through mazes. It's a fun way to learn and improve your problem-solving abilities. The laser maze includes a real Class 1 laser, 60 challenges, a game board, and more. It's a perfect gift for kids aged 8 and up. The game provides hours of fun and challenges. The game comes with clear, high-quality instructions. You can start playing and solving the puzzles right away. It's so much fun that everyone in the family will want to play. What we like. This game challenges your mind with puzzles that require you to direct a laser beam through a maze. It helps develop reasoning and planning skills, making learning fun. If you like a game that combines science and strategy, this is a great choice. It's a fun way to engage your brain and improve your problem-solving abilities. What people say. It is a great tool to teach children the alphabet. The illustrations are beautiful. It is very useful for children to learn to read and write. Number 2. Lego Super Mario NES 71374 Building Set. This set lets you build a classic 1980s-style TV and the iconic Super Mario Bros. Game. It's a fun, interactive experience for any fan. The set recreates the NES console in Lego style, complete with a controller and a game pack slot. You can almost feel the nostalgia. The TV features a handle-operated scrolling screen. When you place the Mario figure on top, it reacts to the on-screen elements. To activate the interactive features, you'll need the Lego Mario figure from the Adventure Starter course. It's the perfect combination. The set includes a cable and plug connecting to the NES, a turning channel knob, and a locking function. It's a delight for Super Mario Bros. Fans. The buildable TV and NES model make a cool display item. It comes with an illustrated booklet and easy-to-follow instructions. What we like. This set allows you to build a classic NES console and display the Super Mario Bros. Game. The interactive features bring the game to life. If you are a fan of classic video games and enjoy building, this set is perfect for you. It's a great way to celebrate your love for Super Mario and create a unique display piece. What people say. It is a great tool to teach children the alphabet. The illustrations are beautiful and attractive to children. It is a very useful learning tool. Number 1. Beau 16 by 24-inch alphabet poster. This charming poster is perfect for your child's room. It's a fun and educational way for them to learn the alphabet. Designed in Texas, this poster brings a modern touch to any space. The gray and beige tones create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's designed to complement any nursery, bedroom, or playroom decor. This piece will blend seamlessly with your existing style. The combination of felt embroidery and art prints makes this wall art unique. It's a playful addition to any room. This would also make a great gift for baby showers or birthdays. Made with high-quality linen canvas, this poster is built to last. The natural fibers give it an organic look. The material ensures it will remain a cherished piece for years. It comes ready to hang right out of the package, including the poster, hanging frames, and jute string. Each print is rolled up in a tube to protect it from creases. It's simple to set up and enjoy. What we like. This poster adds a decorative and educational touch to any child's room. The neutral colors and embroidered design create a warm and inviting atmosphere. If you are looking for a stylish and educational piece of art for your child's room, this is a great choice. It's a perfect gift for baby showers or birthdays. What people say. It's very good quality. Colors are accurate as shown in the picture. Great quality material of this alphabet, tapestry. Best thing about it is being easily visible from across even a large room. The colors are accurately depicted and it's a perfect match for our nursery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.